Can you see the hidden folder in this desktop background? Well, you cannot because I designed it to be that way. But as you can see, it's just standing right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your own important files, important pictures with your family and other important stuff, whatever you want. So do not use this program for the illegal things. So let's skip the video and explain you everything about this program. First, in this section, we are creating a fully transparent picture with this code section. Let me show you. Just press to F5 and you are created this picture, this image. So after making that, I gotta show you how you can set up this libraries and other stuff. Also, it's gonna be better for you if you read this readme file. You can understand this program way better with this file, with reading this file. And also we got this libraries to install in your computer to run this program. All you have to do is just open command prompt and just copy this and paste this in this section. So we are going to convert this codes into a program, into an application in our computer to run better and to get a better experience. So when you run this program with pressing this F5 button, you are creating a password and you can see your password by clicking this I button, but I'm not gonna make it right now. But whenever I share my codes with you on the GitHub, you are always getting some errors about these libraries, about other stuff. So I'm just gonna set up this program by downloading this in my computer. So all you have to do is just download this like I did. Download, just press this button and then go downloads section, extract this. You can see this folder in here. Copy this and then paste this in the desktop because we are creating our application in this desktop folder. Go to Visual Studio Code and open your folder in here, desktop folder main 2, and select folder. Yes, I trust others, and then create your image in here like that, and then get your files by pressing this shift button, carry this in here, and then delete this folder main. Delete. It's too easy to make, guys. Delete this. So I'm gonna show you how we can make this in this section. So we can just close this Visual Studio Code, and now we are just running our program in here as well. It's too easy. You don't have to do anything. So the question is, how can we make this program and applications? First, make sure that you found your file path, and to do this, just open this and cd. I forget. cd use profile desktop. And with this command, you just went your desktop in this command prompt. Just copy your folder name and then paste it and then click enter. And you opened your folder in this command prompt. And all you have to do is just quite simple. Open this in the right way and open this in the left, and then write py installer, not py, and then all you have to do is just press enter, and it's gonna create our applications in our computer. Just download our program in this GitHub that I will give you in the description, and then just create the transparent image in this EcoMaker section by, like I said, pressing F5 button or just running the program, and then just open this command prompt, go to your desktop, find your folder in the desktop, and then run your program with this section, with this command. And as you can see, we are created our X application in our computer, and you can just write this in this section and open this locker, copy this actually. Also, you can just open File Explorer, then you can just desktop and folder main, dest, and I carry it. It was actually in here, but I took that folder in this. And as you can see, our program is ready, is quite ready. All we have to do is just change this name, because as you can see, we can see this folder in here right now. All you have to do is just write in the browser space copy, and then go a website and copy this invisible character, and then press F2 or just rename your file, your folder, and then press enter. As you can see, it's invisible. It's too easy, guys. It's perfect. It seems perfect. So we can delete this. You can just delete this folder also. It doesn't matter. But first you have to close in the VSCode. So let's see if it works or not. Create a new password. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confirm. And it gave us a recovery key, so all we have to do is just copy this to clipboard, and we can close this section. So create folder, let's say my pictures. Create, okay, and we can open this folder. Maybe we can create another one. Important files. Create. All right, open folder, my pictures. Enter your password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confirm. Alright. And as you can see, it's working so good. All you have to do is just download and set up everything. And also you can reset your password with this. You can enter your new password like this. And then you can create a new one, and you can open this in here by entering your password. If you enter your password wrong, then it's not gonna open. So our program is something like this. Actually, I thought that idea when a kid came to our house and I got some important files like Jarvis Mark 25, and I had to hide this. Actually, in the first place, I created something like this, but then I thought making an application for that would be so better for that purpose. So I explained everything, but if you got some problems, you can just tell me on the Instagram in the comment section. You have to install Python and VS Code and other stuff to run this program. This is something like a demo version. If you want to improve this, you can improve it on your own, or you can just tell me to improve some things. So see you in the next videos. Take care.